In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Wix blog to your website. Whether you're eager to share your thoughts, stories, or expertise with a wider audience, adding a blog to your Wix website is a fantastic way to engage with your visitors and boost your online presence. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and select the website where you want to add your blog. This is your home base, and adding new features like a blog is an exciting way to breathe new life into your digital space. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand side of the Wix editor, where you'll find a button that says Add App. This is your gateway to a multitude of tools and features that can make your site more dynamic. After clicking on Add App, you'll notice a search bar where you can type in Wix blog. This search function is super handy to quickly find what you're looking for, cutting down on time spent navigating through options. Once you find the Wix blog app, click on Add to Site. This will begin the integration of the blog into your existing website. Wix will automatically start setting up a blog page for you, and that's where your own content will begin to come to life. From here, navigate to the Pages panel on the left. You'll notice a new page titled Blog has now been added. Click on it to start managing your blog posts. The editor is very intuitive, so whether you're a seasoned blogger or just getting started, it's easy to get the hang of things. You'll see a button marked Create a Post. Click there and you're ready to start writing. Now, these posts are what your audience will engage with, so you want to make sure they're spot on. Use the Wix editor to format your text, add images, or even embed videos to add that visual flair to your content. Think of each post as a mini web page that should entice and engage your visitors. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish and voila, your post is live on your site. Now, isn't that satisfying? But hold on, we're not quite done yet. Go back to the Blog Manager, where you'll see options for customizing your blog's appearance. This is important to ensure that your blog matches the overall aesthetic of your website. You can adjust colors, choose a layout, and even tweak fonts here. It's like dressing your blog to impress your audience, so take your time to make it shine. Finally, it's crucial to keep your audience engaged, so consider setting up a schedule for regular updates. Consistency can really help to build a loyal readership over time. And there you have it. You're now equipped to embrace the blogging world right from your Wix website. Thanks for watching and happy blogging!